Assalomu alaykum. Yangi darsga xush kelibsiz. Bugun sizlar bilan oila so'zlarini o'rganamiz. Tayyormisiz? Boshladik. Hello, welcome to a new class. Today we will learn vocabulary related to family. All photos you'll see, I took them from internet. Okay, before we move on to learning words, I've prepared vocabulary, specific vocabulary for this lesson, and this is the main topic of this video. Then you will see how possessive suffixes again come back, and we can use them in relation to family vocabulary, and we will have a little practice. So here are the most popular words, and probably you know some of them. For example, aka, right? Opa, they're very popular. And let's take a look at them. Bobo is grandpa. And there's buva or doda version. Doda is Tashkent version. Buve, grandma. Not buvi, it's short I, buve. Ota or dada, dada. And it's also known that in Tashkent they say ada. Father, dad. Ona or oye is mom, mother. Aka is older brother. Uka is younger brother. Oppa is older sister, and Singil is younger sister. Okay, so I will be showing you one by one some of the words and how I treat them also. Onahon, otahon. This is a description of women and men, aged women and men, if we don't want to focus on their relation to each other or their relation to their children. So just them by themselves, they are onahon and otahon. But if they are someone's grandpa and grandma, then we call them bobo, buva, or doda, grandpa. And this one, onahon, otahon, if you see someone in the streets and you want to say hello, how are you? You can say onahon assalamu alaikum or otahon assalamu alaikum. But they must be really aged for you to say that. In other cases, it's just hola. We will come to hola. Hola is aunt, amake is uncle. So, bobo is dadamning dadase. Dadamning dadase, my father's father. Or onamning dadase. So this is the possessive suffixes I was talking about earlier. Buve. Buve is grandma. Dadamning onase, onamning onase. This is a picture from famous Uzbek movie called Suyunchi. And this is the actress. Her name in the movie was Anzirat Buve. Anzirat is name, her name, and Buve is grandma. Grandma Anzirat. She is very famous, even now. So, father, Ota, Dada John, and father is someone's ughul, someone's son, right? And Farzan means child. And Ona is mother, and she's someone's daughter, qiz, someone's kimdirning qizi. She's kimdirning qizi. U kimningdir qizi. Older brother, younger brother, aka, uka. The next word is opa, my older sister, and singil is younger sister. And usually women who are holding different positions and are very respected by the community, they are also called opa. And her age doesn't matter. Amake is uncle. Amake, uncle. And pay attention how I'm reading it. Amake, short I in the end. And it's dadamning akase or ukase. Dada is father, aka is brother, or uka is younger brother. So dadamning akase, dadamning ukase. If you don't know these endings, please watch possessive pronouns and possessive suffixes video. Dadamning akase, dadamning ukase, my father's younger or older brother, older or younger brother. Then we have hola. Hola, also this kind of terminology, we can use it to any woman in the streets. We can say opa or hola if she's a little bit older. And hola is an aunt, my mother's older or younger sister. And there's another word, amma, which is my father's older or younger sister. So it's separate. My father's sisters are called amma, and my mother's sisters are called hola. Ask yourself, do you have amma or do you have hola? Do you have amake or you have toga? So check it. So next one is khotan. Is husband, khotan is wife, or turmush ortogum, meaning turmush ortogum, my spouse, right? It's more diplomatic version of saying my partner. And also someone's husband and someone's wife. If this is my sister's husband, he can be my pocha. My sister's husband is pocha to me, and my brother's, my brother's wife is kenoye. And depending on where you are, it may change. And of course, that can be another separate video, how people call their moms, brothers, sisters-in-law in different regions. But the most frequent is kenoye and pocha. And there's also father-in-law and mother-in-law, kainona, kainota. But when we are communicating with them, we don't call them kainona, kainota. We call them either oijon, dadajon, like mom, dad. But when we are describing something happened with them, we can say my mother-in-law said this, meaning kainonam or meaning kainotam. So in third person, yes, we can use these. And Jian is either niece or nephew, and Nabira is grandson or granddaughter. And when I said Nabira, E is long E, Nabira, not Nabra, Nabira. Okay, here I have a little task for you, but before we go into this, I would like to go back to the first slide and revise it with you first, and then I'll give you a short task, which I will be expecting you to leave in the comments below. So, we started with mom and dad. This is onahon, otahon, assalamu alaikum onahon, assalamu alaikum otahon. Baba is someone's grandpa, dadamning dadasa. Buva, someone's grandma. Father, dadajon, ota. Mother, ona or oye. Ake, two brothers. Opa single, two sisters. Amake, my father's brother, and toga is my mother's brother. Hola is my mother's sister, younger or older, and amma is my father's younger or older sister. Erhotan is husband and wife. Pocha kenaya is someone's, your sister's husband or your brother's wife, depending who we are talking to. And then kainona, kainota is mother-in-law, father-in-law. Jian is nephew, niece, and Nabira is grandson and granddaughter. Okay, here's the little task, and you need to figure out who is dadamning dadası or onamning dadası. That might be pretty obvious, but still. Who is onamning onası? Who is onamning akası? Onamning opası, sorry. Dadamning akası. Who's pocha? Who's Nabira? Who's Jian? It's a very short task. I hope you'll write this down and then leave your answers in the comments so I can see each sentence and the answer to it. And we'll see you in the next class. Like basışını unutmayın. Keyingi derslerde görüşünce hayır.